Everybody fears this place, but look, everybody is so friendly. But we are here on a peace mission, a wellness mission, a mission to spread the importance of barefoot culture and the barefoot wellness across the globe, and show people that the feet were meant to walk. They were created perfect to walk regardless of the environment. The body was made to adapt. The body was supposed to be able to get used to whatever environment you're in. So don't be fooled that you cannot be barefoot.
In celebration of World Spine Day, we joined the Mara Nomads to reach out a small Pokot community while spreading the importance of walking barefoot in this year's line of theme, Support Your Spine. Mile by mile, we drove on past the scenic landscape of a land barely explored, through valleys and dried riverbeds. In dusty and rocky roads we kept on. Our goal in mind is to spread treatment without the use of drugs to the people of the Pokot land. This video is about day one on our mission to spread the barefoot culture and celebrating World Spine Day through Tiba Bila Dawa Foundation, and we target communities who have limited access to healthcare. It is also an educational video to enlighten people about the wrong perception of this place. They say work without play makes Jack a dull boy, and we couldn't miss an opportunity to socialize with the community and make a connection.
Unaona ukiwa na mimi ama ukiwa peke yako na mimi sawa, mimi nimepata mvua.
What else can you get when you go to Kapedo? And the Kapedo people love this. Can only give you a Wi-Fi. And then we are.
We have been welcomed here so well.
Now let's start from the beginning. On 19th of October 2024, 5 a.m., the journey started. Armed with positive spirits and courage, we started off with Nairobi towards Nakuru. The first challenge of the day didn't wait so long. Our car brakes started falling and we had to stop over at Dalamea to have them checked. We proceeded on after getting them fixed, hoping that it was just a passing cloud. As we continued with our journey, the landscape started changing, welcoming us into another beautiful yet hot world. As the barefoot tour started to take shape, we had to take a break and start to refresh and let Mother Nature bless our feet, vibing to our Kenyan song. After covering more than 150 kilometers, finally, we caught up with the Mara Nomads convoy at the entrance of Lake Bogoria. Better late than never. Seeing Lake Bogoria and its beautiful flamingos was a welcoming sight to our eyes. The beauty of the north had already started to unravel.
The beauty of Mother Nature truly is the best doctor. Whenever we visit a new location, culturally, we have to go and put my feet in the water to pay some respect to our forefathers. So because this place has flamingos, there's a lot of slime So the rocks can be very dangerous. The mission for me this time is to celebrate the World Spine Day. I, the barefoot doctor, adds barefoot. Take care of your spine. So why barefoot? Barefoot because of the following reasons. Our feet have 33 joints. Our spine has 33 joints. Now, this is important in how you maintain upright posture and how you move. When you put shoes for a long time, what happens is that your feet behaves as if you're in a boat. It's like a car having, spacers. So you mess with the stability of the car. It's the same thing, you mess with the stability of the body when you wear shoes. And that's one of the reasons I believe is the biggest cause of back pain today. So this adventure for me is to explore north. I want to go to places that nobody goes. Nobody has been. I want to go to Kapedo. I want to go to Salale. I just come from Mogotio and now in Lake Baringo, meeting the beautiful people of these counties and regions and sharing the experience and healing without the use of drugs or surgery.
After sightseeing the beautiful lake, we headed on to Netbon Kudu camp, where we'd be setting up camping tents and cooking fresh produce for the night. No sooner had we finished setting up our camping tents than it started raining cats and dogs. We had already started cooking, our ugali was in the making and our kachumbari was waiting for us. Hoping the rain would stop, the rain became too much and our gazebo tent couldn't handle it.
We'll just, shower in the rain.
So this is how I keep myself clean, not to dry my tent, and even when I go home I have to also clean up.
And it gave in. It collapsed. The water drenched all our cooking items, food, and we were all soaked in. Still, we could resolve this matter because we were working as a team, and no matter what odds we faced, we were not shaken and we had to get to Kapedo.
Really weird to have something on your feet.
After a long, tiring, hot and wet day, we finally rested. This was day 1 of our tour, the beginning and the end. Stay tuned for day 2 as we journey to the north, finally to Kapedo, to the land where the few dare to adventure. On the voiceover is Valerie Joki. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Toodoo!